Hello and welcome to another episode. I'm Matthew and this is my show. We're going to do an unboxing. It's from DJI. It is the case. So we're going to see what is in the box for the Mic 2 standalone charging case. And I've done a video on why I had to buy the charging case separately. I'm not particularly pleased with it. I think DJI should have a way to compensate those that didn't get the bundle deal. And the reason why I didn't get the bundle deal is because of the fact that they didn't give enough information when I purchased the DJI Mic 2. Had I known you couldn't set 32-bit float, and a couple other things, date and time, which both are the reason why I bought it, right? I need date and time, and 32-bit float is something that I wanted to try out and test and see how it worked and performed. And so I purchased it, and sure as shit, I couldn't set either the date and time or the 32-bit float, which is quite upsetting. So I had to then purchase the receiver and another transmitter. So now I have two mics, two Mic 2s, and one receiver. So two transmitters, one receiver. But I wanted the full package for the case because it's convenient and it automatically syncs and it charges and it keeps it all in one nice package. But this is an unboxing because that's what I do. I just buy stuff and unbox it. This is an unboxing of that actual charging Mic 2 DJI Mic 2. I'm not going to say it right, so just get over it already. DJI Mic 2 charging case. We're going to see what is in the box. Let's do it. Okay, so trusty, dusty box cutter. Don't take this on a plane. Anyway, bad jokes come with the territory here. And that's not a joke, actually. Don't take it on a plane. This came shipped to me in the box. Haven't taken it out yet, so I'm assuming it's what I ordered. Everything indicates that I did, so now I'm going to see how it's shipped, see how it's boxed. Kind of weird that was in there like that, but let's do that. Nothing else in the box. Boop, boop. I tend to like to do like this. I don't know why. And do it as if I'm doing it like this. Like these are my hands. For some reason I like to do it like this. Whatever, doesn't matter. I'm going to do it like this. I just can't go back and forth because I did that on one and it came out pretty crappy. So we're going to do it like this, and you don't need to know that. You can just observe. Charger case, DJI Mic 2 charging case. So this is what we're going to get. This is what the box looks like. Stuff like that. Okay, so what they have usually is this little pull tab right here. So I'm going to just pull that. So they do a good job with that. But I'm curious, what is in the box? Okay, so it comes with the case. Comes with the case with this. Comes with no sticker, but it does come with a whole bunch of stuff, words in different languages. It comes with words with all sorts of different languages. More of that. Here's this. That's press to unlock. Okay, so I'm going to take that off. Actually, I'm going to keep that on because this is just the unbox. I will take it off, but let's see. Nothing in here. So I can put the mics in here, some other things. This isn't a bad little case. Is what it is. DJI. So that right there is what is in the box. If you wanted to know, that right there is what is in the box. Right there. Boop, boop, boop. Box, and I can just play musical chairs with all this. Which one is we're going to be? So the most important thing, these two things are here, here, and then it's the box over there. And that's what's in the box. So we're going to take these things away. I'm going to cut this off. Wow, that's been used quite a bit. Okay, so that's that, that goes there. I'm going to take this off, set that there, take this off, and it says press here to open, and that's it. So pretty much this, what you get in the box is these two things right here. And that's it. There's not a lot of you know, it is what it is, and there it is. So I'm going to put my stuff in there and we'll see what it looks like. I'm not going to do it right now because I'm using the actual mic. I'll take the mic out once I'm done with this, and then I'll put it in there with everything in it and start charging it. So, that being said, I've been feeling a little under the weather. It's flu season and I don't get flu shots, and I did actually get the flu, which wasn't horrible. It really wasn't that bad. It's just lingering on now, so I'm a little bit not myself. I am myself as far as being all over the place, but that's the end of this one. So you're happy, I'm happy, that's the end of this. So rant, complain, bitch and moan about the fact that not pleased that I had to buy this thing. This was $69 from DJI, but I would have saved money had I bought the bundle. So just buyer beware. When you buy the Mic 2, don't just buy the single microphone if you're wanting the features that you would be buying the mic for. You're better off just buying the old mic and not worry about it. It's cheaper, and not worrying about 32-bit float. But if you want 32-bit float, you want to set date time, you're gonna have to buy it with the receiver. So that's the minimum that you would want to buy, is one mic with the receiver bundle. I unpackaged that so you know what's in the box for that one. But the fact that it wasn't labeled and no one's telling anybody, do your research. Please do your research. DJI Mic 2, you're gonna have to have a receiver if you want to set the date and utilize some of the other functions like 32-bit floating, which is a good thing. You should want to use it. Anyway, that's the end of this episode. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and I really, really, really do appreciate you watching, sincerely. And it's 2025, so let's comment and be good human life forms to one another, and I will see you on the next episode. I'm doing drums, I'm doing all sorts of stuff this year. It's crazy. It's crazy. So let's just have a great year, and I'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, bonus. I am going to actually put this in the box and show you, or the charger. So as you can see down here, it has the microphone, it has the magnet, and both of those seem to fit very loosely and nice. Same thing with this one here. That goes into there, and then this lines up with the, and then that there should be some charge on that or no charge on that. Let's close that. No, I think there's no charge on it. No charge on it. And now you have these goofy things, and these probably go in this case, so all right. So we'll put those in there like that. It's very soft. And then you put that in like that, and then that's it. And then you can take this whole thing with you. The other thing is that I have are lav mics. I have some TRSSSSS. I have cables. It's that one. And then I have in this one more cables. So you can't really put this in like that. So these are no longer any good. But to keep everything together, you can put the lavs and the mics and everything in to these. This, you have these go in here. Oh, look, yeah, it's actually showing now. So these you can put in like this. So there. So this is basically what you would get with these. You wouldn't get you would get all black, but I have a white one and a gray one, or a brown, black, black, and so again, they need to do something with these. They've got to do something to make it so that you can just have this case and then close it. I get it, what they put in here, and it's not a bad idea, because I do have extra cables and lavs, so that's okay. And then you just put those in there, you put that in here, and then you zip it very poorly, kind of tight in there. Interesting, but that's it. So that's everything. So again, these, I don't have a use for these ones anymore. And then this is the old one here. I'm using one of the mics, but that's that. So let's compare the two. This is bigger. The new one is bigger. The mics are actually a little bit bigger too. This really isn't a comparison video. This is just, see, it's a little bit bigger. So, because it's important to share if you dare. Oh, that came off there. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And that is just a little bonus footage for everybody to see. That's what I had to do. I had to buy, I first bought the white microphone. I then bought, since I couldn't set it the way I wanted, I then bought the other one with the receiver. So I bought the mic and the receiver. That now gives me two mics and one receiver, and then I needed the charging case, and then that would be what the bundle was. So if you just want to save time and save a little bit of money, you could just get the bundle. Or what I got for my girlfriend was just the receiver and the transmitter, because she's not going to need to do much. She just is really using it for voiceovers, and I told her I have plenty of microphones, so if she needs to do interviews, or we need to do interviews of any sort, we have 4 or 5 different mics that we can use, plus shotgun, plus whatever. So we have a ton of different ways to record, but the DJI mics are really fantastic. So I'm not poo-pooing the mic, I'm just poo-pooing, this didn't seem very well thought out. I want the 32-bit floating. Let people know, at least give them an option saying, you really can't set the advanced features that you're buying the mic for if you don't have either the camera, the receiver, and I think the two of the cameras, whatever, or the Pocket 3, so that's a third camera. I think you can do the 3, the 5, or the Pocket 3, and then you get those features. But if you don't have that, if you're just trying to get audio, you're gonna be in trouble. You're not gonna get the advanced features if you just buy the mic and you don't have any other way to set it. So to get those advanced features, I know I keep saying this over and over, but it really is kind of frustrating because I don't have time to mess with this kind of stuff. I just like stuff to work. I'm an Apple guy. I just like stuff to work, and I don't want to have to sit, and it took me 3 different times. Mic with receiver, and now the case, just to get the bundle, which I would have saved money for. I feel like I need some compensation on this, but you know what? You live and learn. So I'm learning it, and I'm relaying it to you because I think that it's important that you know what you're getting yourself in. Otherwise, be good human life forms to one another, and I will see you in the next episode. And I'm done with the mics. I'm done with them. I use them, love them. I'm done with this subject. That's all I got. If you have questions, let me know. I will see you later.